For the best price, click the link in the description. If you're tired of cooking up a storm only to end up with a mediocre dish every time, then I've got some bad news for you. Your Dutch oven might be the culprit. But here's what surprised me when I got my hands on the All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven. It completely transformed the way I cook. I know what you're thinking, a Dutch oven? That's not exactly a game changer. However, this one from All-Clad is anything but ordinary. With its heavy-gauge stainless steel construction and durable finish, this pot is built to last, and I'm not just talking about the physical build quality either. But what really sets it apart from other Dutch ovens on the market is its incredible heat retention properties. According to All-Clad's website, their HA1 line uses a proprietary material that allows for even heat distribution and retention, ensuring that your dish cooks consistently throughout. Therefore, you can say goodbye to hot spots and hello to perfectly cooked meals every time. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, isn't this just a fancy pot? Well, let me tell you, it's not just about looks. The All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven has been praised by cooking enthusiasts and professionals alike for its impressive performance. Therefore, if you're serious about taking your cooking to the next level, then this pot is definitely worth considering. But before we dive deeper into the details, let me ask you a question. What do you think is the most important factor when it comes to cooking with a Dutch oven? Is it durability, heat retention, or something else entirely? Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get down to business. The All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven is made from heavy-gauge stainless steel, which not only makes it incredibly durable but also resistant to scratches and corrosion. It's also got a comfortable handle that's designed to stay cool even when you're cooking at high temperatures. But here's where things get really interesting. The All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven is not just limited to stovetop use. With its induction-compatible design, you can easily transfer it from the stovetop to your oven for continued cooking. And with a capacity of 5 quarts, you've got plenty of room to cook up a storm. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is this really worth the investment? Well, let me put it this way, if you're serious about cooking and want a pot that's going to last you for years to come, then the All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it. According to various reviews on Amazon, this pot has been praised for its incredible heat retention properties, durable design, and overall performance. Therefore, if you're looking for a Dutch oven that's going to give you years of reliable service, then the All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven is definitely worth checking out. But before we wrap things up, let me ask you another question. What do you think sets this pot apart from other Dutch ovens on the market? Is it its durable design, heat retention properties, or something else entirely? In conclusion, the All-Clad HA1 5QT Dutch oven is an incredible cooking vessel that's sure to revolutionize the way you cook. With its heavy-gauge stainless steel construction, durable finish, and impressive heat retention properties, this pot is built to last, and it's definitely worth the investment. For the best price, click the link in the description.